People of the internet, welcome back to another YouTube video, where dumb bitch makes poor life decisions in her washroom all thanks to quarantine. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a good laugh. One like equals one prayer.
Hi. Okay, so I'm out here making mistakes a week before my birthday. Lockdown number 2 has been announced, matlab in Delhi and Mumbai, not over here. But anyway, lockdown number 2 is happening. I'm self-quarantining और इससे better क्या coping mechanism होगा than coloring your own hair. So I've never colored my hair, not outside, not at home. And I just really wanted to, like 10th standard ki Arushi would be really happy looking at myself coloring my own hair. So I have 2 kits of the Streaks Gem Collection Blue Sapphire box dye. इसमें bleach भी है और इसमें color भी है. So I'm going to be doing that. I know इसके अंदर brush आता है और gloves आते हैं. So all extra जो है मेरे पास is this plastic का डब्बा and I have foil. Okay. So I'm going to start. Okay, तो मैं पहले आपको बता रही हूँ that this might end up being a big mistake. So if you're looking at me as a tutorial, don't do it. I don't know what I'm doing. So actually, like I have watched a lot of tutorials. I won't lie. मैंने बहुत सारे tutorials देखे हैं, and I feel like I'm prepared. But then I've never been great at arts and crafts. So अगर मैंने एक straight line of blue color hair कर लिया, so I really can't do anything. This has a spoolie for you. I think if someone wants to dye and bleach their eyebrows. ये पता नहीं क्या है. I'll have to read the instruction manual. This is a lot. These are a lot of instructions. So the first instruction that it says is wash and dry your hair, and according to hair experts, you're not supposed to wash your hair before bleach. So I'm not sure how legit Streaks instructions are. So I'm not gonna follow it. Okay, before I start the whole thing, let me show you कि इस kit में क्या-क्या आता है. So the first thing is the colorant, which is the blue color. Then there's blonder and developer. तो 2 अलग sachets उसके हैं. They give you some conditioner. This is the Shine On conditioner. And they give you gloves. They give you this weird spoolie. I don't know what this is. And they give you this brush. पर मैं हाथ से करने वाली हूँ because experts and great people do it with their hands. So I'm going to be doing it with my hands. First, what you have to do is because I'm using 2 packets, I'm just going to be using दोनों packets के developer एक ही साथ में. Like developer blonder दोनों packets का मैं मिलाने वाली हूँ. I'm dyeing. This is poisonous, so don't open it like I have. This is a 30% developer, and all the cool people with good hair I saw using 30, so I'm confident कि ठीक है. It's not bad. Okay, so my developer, oh ये already गर्म हो रहा है. Okay, dude ये जो डब्बा है ये already नीचे से गर्म हो चुका है, so it's a little sketch. And as if at all my hair falls out and it's disgusting, blah blah blah. Please don't unsubscribe. Like I'm taking one for the gang. So please don't unsubscribe if my hair turns out to be disgusting. Halla bol. Something. Gol pe gol. So I'm sectioning my hair into 2. कि मेरे बहुत कम बाल हैं.
Quick pause to tell you guys कि मैंने 3 दिन पहले तक बाल नहीं धोए थे अपने before bleaching, and I oiled my hair the night before the bleaching day. So I don't know if it really helps, but I've heard कि damage थोड़ा सा कम होता है.
I'm freaking out. Okay, so I think मेरे को इसको भी हाथ में करना चाहिए. Okay. तो मैं चश्मा उतारती हूँ. So what I know is you have to color from the niche and then move on upar and then try to get like a. Okay, let's just try. Oh, I'm shivering. So this smells really bad. Should this be on my hair? I'm not quite sure. ये पोर्शन शायद ठीक है, तो मैं इसको This smells toxic and I don't know if this should be on my hair because इसका बहुत ही गंदा स्मेल है. Oh shit, मेरे को पहले इस साइड का करना चाहिए था.
It was at this point that she realized she messed up.
Sounds looks okay I think. I just hope कि ये लेंथ और ये लेंथ सेम हो. Like मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैंने ये थोड़ा नीचा कर दिया और ये थोड़ा ऊपर तक ब्लीच कर दिया है. Okay guys, so I'm done with the bleaching process. This is how my hair looks. मैंने ये 2 में किया और ये 1 में कर लिया. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. I'm just giving myself some time. मैंने 20 minutes का timer लगा दिया है. I was told that I need to keep this for at least 30 to 40 minutes, but मैंने पहले 20 minutes का timer लगाया. I'll open the foil and see what the scene is, and then I'm probably gonna keep it for like 40 minutes. Not sure. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show it to you anyway. I'm just hoping कि जब मैं अपना foil खोलूँ मेरे बाल टूट के गिर जाए. Like that's my only expectation. मेरा बस एक ही expectation है कि मेरे बाल जल के टूट के गिर ना जाए. That's it. That's my only expectation, and I think अच्छी expectation है. So okay, so it's been 30 minutes since this has been on my hair. So now is the moment of truth. I'm just gonna oh. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit, it's packed. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, whatever. लेंथ सिमिलर लग रहा है. ये थोड़ा ज्यादा लाइट लग रहा है, थोड़ा ज्यादा डार्क लग रहा है. आई एम नॉट गोना वेस्ट टाइम. आई एम जस्ट गोना सेंड दिस फोटो टू माय फ्रेंड हु सॉर्ट ऑफ गाइडिंग मी. See if she needs me to wash my hair right now or wait for 5 minutes, but BRB. So the box says कि जब आप bleach करो तो 30 minutes wait करना है, but I wasn't really happy with how the lightened hair was looking. So like I said, मैंने foil में फिर से wrap कर दिया है और अब 35 minutes almost 5 मिनट में हो जाएंगे. So as soon as the 5 minutes are done, I'm gonna be washing my hair and I'll see you after I've washed my hair. Okay, you guys are now also in my personal space in my bathing cubicle और मैं आप लोग के सामने अपने बाल धोने वाली हूँ. तो let's see कि I hope मेरे बाल टूट ना जाए होते हुए. So I'm just going to be using the normal Tresemme hair fall defense shampoo और हम अपने बाल धोएंगे. I think this is the only hair color video जिसमें आप इंसान के साथ उसके बाल भी धो रहे हो. So you better go and give this video a huge like right now. Okay, go leave a like and leave a comment right now. Okay, so hair wash is done. This does seem successful. सही तो लग रहे हैं बाल. यार सही लग रहे हैं. First impression बाल ज़्यादा रफ नहीं लग रहे हैं. थोड़े तो of course लग रहे हैं, पर ज़्यादा रफ नहीं लग रहे हैं. मेरे बाल गिरे नहीं. I was expecting कि बाल literally गिर के हाथ में आ जाएंगे और something, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. अभी तक तो मेरे को सही लग रहे हैं, ज़्यादा रफ भी नहीं लग रहे हैं. जब सूखेंगे तब I tell you. So to color your hair, you are supposed to have no product on your hair and it's supposed to be like stick dry, like ekdam dry. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Hi, we're here. Our hair is bleached. Like you guys can see, ये side थोड़ा light है और ये थोड़ा सा dark है इससे. But I don't know. So basically, it's been an hour or 2 since I last vlogged. So my hair bleach is fine. The only thing is कि if like for a vibrant color you need to be a level 9 or 10. That's what my friend told me, Arnavi. So she said कि मेरे को शायद एक और बार bleach करना चाहिए. Like she said I should. But then मेरे बालों का texture honestly थोड़ा rough हो गया है. And I feel like if I bleach it again then they literally die. So I was confused. तो हम वही discuss कर रहे थे कि मेरे को bleach करना चाहिए या नहीं एक और बार. And I just decided to like color it अभी and let it fade and bleach it after like a month or 2. तो अभी के लिए ये ठीक है. So I'm just gonna comb my hair and we're gonna start coloring. Color and oh yes. Okay, so I have my color in this bowl and इसमें मैं brush नहीं use करने वाली हूँ. I'm just going to be using my hands. Just saying again, this is not a tutorial. I do not urge you to do this at home. I'm doing it because I needed a change. So जिस हिसाब से मैंने bleach किया था उसी parting में मैं color करना start कर रही हूँ. My friend told me कि मेरे को ये डाई शायद कम पड़ जाए, but I ignored her. So now I'm thinking कि शायद कम पड़ रहा है. I need to wash this ASAP. हम देसी वे में ऐसे करेंगे ताकि कुछ भी वेस्ट ना हो. आई थिंक हो गया है ना. तो अब मैं इसको एक जूड़े में बांध लूंगी एंड डन. हेलो, आई लिटरली लुक लाइक वन ऑफ दोज आंटीज जो अपने बालों में मेहंदी लगाती थी, शारकाफ पहनती थी और पूरी दुनिया में घूमती थी. सो आई एम फीलिंग लाइक दैट आंटी बिकॉज मैंने बचपन में से बहुत आंटियाँ देखी हैं. एनीवे, आई हैव नाउ फाइनली फिनिश विद द कलरिंग प्रोसेस और मैंने अपने बालों को शारकाफ में डाल दिया है ताकि I can do whatever the hell I want to and not really worry about my hair touching anything or you know whatever. So हाँ, अभी मैं आप लोग को 1-2 घंटे बाद देखूंगी because I've been told that I have to wait at least 1.5-2 hours for the color to actually show up on my hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm quite happy with the whole process. मेरे को लगा कि if I document it properly, candidly for you guys might just have fun watching me make rash decisions and you guys might also like get some help. Hello, I'm now in my mama's washroom but basically मैंने अपने बाल shampoo नहीं किया, sorry, condition किए, धो लिए, like basically धो लिया hair dye, हाथ glue हो चुके हैं, but क्योंकि अभी ये you know like it's what do I call it, it's wet, so you know like you can't really see the color, but now I'm gonna start like blow drying my hair and I'll show you guys the final result. मेरे हाथ धोते हुए थोड़े glue हो गए हैं but whatever, you know like let's start blow drying. Give me your reaction on my hair. See?
पहली बात तो ये ब्लू नहीं लग रहे.
अरे
नहीं लग रहे.
कैसे लग रहे हैं फिर?
जैसे बालों में मिट्टी पड़ गई हो.
Oh my god.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
इतने भी खराब नहीं लगे जितना मैं सोचा.
इतने भी खराब नहीं लगे, मतलब अच्छे नहीं लगे. Hi guys, so this is the end product. It's been I think 3-4 hours since I colored my hair and everything was done. I conditioned and washed my hair. Didn't use shampoo of course. And this is how they look. I'm really happy with it. मैंने अभी इतना सारा makeup इसलिए लगाया हुआ है because I was doing a transformation reel. So I'll link it down below in case you guys want to go and check me out on Instagram. But this is really how my hair looks and I'm quite happy with it. बस थोड़ी सी जगहें हैं which I think messed up a little. जैसे यहाँ पे there's a weird green fade, like in a yellowy green thing over here. I don't know what that is. And यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा vibrant blue है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा greenish blue है. So I know why all of that happened. So I'm just gonna sit down and quickly give you guys a few tips here and there. So the color I used was the Streaks highlighting kit and honestly it's pretty good. All I'll say is basically my hair is quite thin. I'll show you. My hair is quite thin, right? And they're frizzy right now because I haven't like, yeah, whatever. But my hair is quite thin, which is why I only needed 2 boxes. Better होता अगर मैंने 3 boxes लिए होते, पर 2 में मेरा काम चल गया. So make sure that if you guys want to do a longer length and if you have thicker and longer hair, you minimum get at least 5 boxes. अगर आपके मेरे से बाल है, मेरी length है, मेरी thickness है, then 3 boxes should be enough. My friend had warned me and I didn't listen to her. Secondly, when you're bleaching and if you're sectioning your hair, for example in 2 sections जो of course आप नहीं करोगे, तो जो front section है उसे सबसे पहले दोनों का करो. So जल्दी से एक side करो फिर जल्दी से दूसरी side करो. What I did was that I did this first, then I did this, and then I did this, and then I did this. So उसमें क्या हुआ कि ये side ज़्यादा light हो गई और ये side थोड़ी कम light हो गई. So that's where I messed up. So I hope you guys do it well and equal करो like आगे का, because of course this is how you're going to look at your hair. Make sure कि आप ऐसे पहले डाई करो, तो ये दो sections पहले फिर पीछे के sections, and always make sure कि आप नीचे से start करो. So start from the bottom and then move on to the top. So what will happen is you will see a gradual, you know, like an ombre like this, and make sure that you're not doing like ऐसे सीधे, मतलब एक ही जगह एक ही लेवल पे ब्लीच मत करो. थोड़ा यहाँ पे किया, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा ऊंचा किया है, थोड़ा नीचा किया है, थोड़ा ऊंचा किया है, बीच में से स्ट्रैंड्स लो और ऐसे ऐसे कर लो. व्हाट दैट विल डू इज इट विल मेक श्योर दैट इट लुक्स इवन, एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि ब्लैक यहाँ तक और नीचे से ब्लू या पर्पल या पिंक. दैट विल लुक रियली वियर्ड. सो कीप ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड. But yeah, I'm really happy with my hair. I'm now going to be ordering a color protection shampoo, a conditioner and a protein mask, like one of my friends who has been dyeing her hair since 4 years instructed me. So जो भी मैं खरीदूंगी मैं उसका लिंक भी नीचे डाल दूंगी for you guys to refer. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to say out here कि by no way am I, you know, like promoting you guys to go ahead and bleach your own hair. If you guys want to go, you can go and get it done from a professional. Of course, they'll do it a lot better than how you would do it at home. I had my reasons, and of course, Corona में हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, so I did not do that, and I colored my own hair. Pretty happy. I can't wait to color them another color now. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, you know what to do. Please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment क्योंकि काफी candid videos था. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.